Hello everyone. Now, may panoorin tayo na video na gawa ni Jack Films. Isa itong based on story na ang may isang binata, naglalaro siya ng computer. Dahil sa busy niyang kalaro, parang may nag-aaway sa labas, nagbarilan. Ang ganda nito mga kapatid is nailigtas siya ng isang bagay na yung tinawag na the video game case, nailigtas siya noon. Ito, panoorin natin to.
Was shot towards his house and tore through his wall as it headed straight for his chest, but it slammed into his brand new copy of the Elder Scrolls Anthology. The thick case cracked and the discs shattered, but its energy was absorbed layer by layer. And by the time it reached halfway through, the bullet was stopped and buried deep inside, saving his life.
So, totoo to mga kapatid. Kung isi-search natin to sa Google, kung kailan ito nangyari, tingnan natin sa Google Chrome. Ito, kung i-search nyo, The Elder Scrolls Anthology literally saved my life from a stray bullet, owner says, by Andy Chok, published May 10, 2017. Ito yung evidence niya. Bagus yung bala. Ito naman yung video game case niya. Diba? Totoo talaga mga kapatid. May ganyang mga pangyari na instead na panahon mo na yan, mawala ka na, iligtas ka ng Panginoon through that things. Ibig sabihin may second chance. Kaya lahat tayo may mga second chance pa. Nangyaring mga ganyan, may ibig pahiwatig ang Panginoon yan sa atin, na may purpose pa siya sa'yo kung bakit ka pa nabuhay, kung bakit hindi nangyari yan sa'yo. May ipapagawa pa siya sa'yo. Kaya pasalamatan natin ang Panginoon. Kaya lahat ng bagay na nangyari, masama yan o hindi kaya, hindi mabuti ang nangyari sa atin, pasalamatan pa rin natin ang Panginoon in the midst of that. Kasi may purpose yun para yung puzzle na naka-align. So yun lang mga kapatid. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your soul. Yan. God bless sa lahat. Second chance.